My name is Glenn Solomon. I am a lawyer with Offit Kerman. My previous talks on bankruptcy preference demands have reviewed how you should react to a preference demand that your company receives from a bankrupt company. The available defenses, such as ordinary course of business and new value, have been discussed. There are, however, steps that you can take before your customer files for bankruptcy to either avoid a preference claim being made or to proactively build defenses to any claim. Here are some tips to help you achieve that proactive defense. First, your credit people should actively manage your customers' accounts. This is obviously something that your company should be doing in the normal course, but it is particularly important to help fight a preference case. By closely monitoring the status of your accounts payable, you can keep payments from your customers closer to the historical norm. Second, you should regularly check your customers through public information, such as through a Google search. You may discover information that prompts concerns about a customer's financial health, which should lead you to more closely monitor the account. Third, consider putting your customer on COD. This is sometimes not a practical alternative, but for accounts that have become troubled, it often is. The benefit of this from a preference standpoint is that a COD payment is usually a total defense to a preference claim. Fourth, if an account becomes aged beyond historical norms, you should come to an agreement with the customer as to which invoices future payments will be applied to. The idea is to apply payments to invoices so that the days to pay the invoices will be consistent with historical experience, which will again likely result in you having a defense to any preference claim. Last, ask your customer for collateral to secure unpaid invoices. Although this is often resisted, it can be achieved by inserting simple language into the terms and conditions portion of your contract. The benefit of this is that a payment made to a secured creditor is often shielded from a preference demand. The lesson here is that there are proactive steps that you can take to minimize or avoid the financial distress that can be caused by a bankruptcy preference claim. And after all, aren't these steps that you should be taking in your business whether or not you are faced with a bankruptcy preference claim? I'm Glenn Solomon with Offit Kerman. If you would like further information about bankruptcy preference actions, I can be contacted at 443-738-1522 or by email at gsolomon@offitkerman.com.